Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your laptop is powered, airplane mode is off, and the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in settings. Next, inspect the router lights and confirm the SSID and password so you can reconnect if needed. Once done, right-click the network icon and choose Troubleshoot Problems or Open Network and Internet Settings. This runs Windows diagnostics that often identify driver or IP issues. Follow its prompts while you prepare to apply manual fixes if diagnostics can't resolve the issue. Now focus on drivers and network config. Open Device Manager, locate the Wi-Fi adapter, and choose Update Driver. If a recent update broke connectivity, use Rollback Driver. You should also reset IP settings. Run command prompt as admin, type ipconfig/release, and then ipconfig/renew to get a fresh IP from the router. If that fails, perform a network reset or disable, and re-enable the adapter in settings. This clears corrupt interface states and often restores normal operation. Finish by isolating the problem. Verify another device can use the same Wi-Fi and reboot the router to clear transient faults. If your laptop still struggles, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus software to check for blocking rules. Make sure to re-enable protections afterwards. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the router, but back up its configuration first so you can restore ISP credentials. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent drops persist, test using Ethernet to determine whether the issue is wireless or broader network hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.